to choose an appropriate journal for your manuscript.
Professor Dr. Phung Minh Moy.
Right. So when you have your findings ready and you have written up, or you are in preparation to write up your findings in the manuscript style, you should know roughly which journal you want to send your manuscript to. So what is the purpose of publishing? Who do you want to share your findings with? Where you expect to publish the journal. So for journals, we have some very specialized journal or some more general journals like PLOS ONE, BMJ Open, BMJ, or scientific reports. These are general journals. But if you want to send to a more specific one, probably if it's a nutrition study, you may want to send to Nutrition Journal, or and so on. So you need to know whether you want to send to journal which is more general or more specialized. Okay, so of course you want to send to more specialized journals, then you need to match your manuscript with the scope of journal. Okay, and whether you want to send to international journal or local journal. Other factors of journals are impact factor. Not only some universities, they implement some high standard. They not only want the postgraduate students to publish their findings, they also want the student publish their findings in journal with impact factors, with citation index, or it is registered in the Web of Science. So when you select journals, you have to be careful, and you need to match your scope of studies as well as the university requirement or your employer's requirement of where it should be published. And of course, time to publish, or whether the process of submission and publication is fast or not. Usually open access journals are faster than the print journals. And so free or not is a very important factor, as well as digital or hard copy. So make friend with Jane. So you can also use a search engine that is called Jane to help you in finding the journal which matches your scope and so on. So Jane stands for Journal Author Name Estimator. So you can just Google for Jane or Journal Author Name Estimator, and then you can put in the keyword, and they would recommend, this search engine will recommend the journal that match your topic, match your manuscript topic. Okay. Another point is beware of predatory journals, because there are some journals is just out to make money, and they don't have proper peer review process. So we need to be, researchers or authors need to be aware of that.